Hey guys, if you're a plus size girly like me, then you know one of the first questions we ask before buying wearable fitness equipment is this actually going to fit? I was honestly a little hesitant when ordering these RBX wrist and ankle weights because I've tried fitness accessories before that were either too tight or just uncomfortable. But I'm happy to say these fit me comfortably. And that was a huge win right from the start. These are the RBX wrist and ankle weights, and this set comes with a pair of weights totaling 2 pounds, with each weight being 1 pound. What I really like is how versatile they are. You can wear them on your wrist or on your ankles depending on the workout you're doing. I've been using these during walks, light strength training, and even some stretching exercises, and they just add just enough resistance to make any workouts feel a little more challenging without being overwhelming. Another thing that stood out to me is the comfort level. The material feels soft against the skin and doesn't have that rough, scratchy feeling that some workout gear can have. Even when I start sweating, they remain comfortable and don't feel irritating. The hook and loop closure is easy to adjust, which has allowed me to get a secure fit. As someone who was concerned about sizing, I really appreciated that I can customize the fit instead of feeling restricted. I also like that they stay in place during movement, whether I'm walking, doing leg lifts, stretching, or working through a simple home workout. I don't find myself constantly stopping to just readjust them. And that's important because the last thing I want during a workout is to be distracted by equipment that keeps slipping around. But overall, I'm happy with these wrist and ankle weights. They're comfortable, adjustable, easy to use, and most importantly, they fit well. Even as a plus size woman who was initially worried about sizing, I hope this helps.